Make sending swag a breeze with kits on Stadium. Delight your recipients with curated pics from your swag locker or custom on-demand designs delivered your way. Kits are perfect for welcoming new hires, celebrating birthdays, and surprising your team for any occasion. No matter the moment, there are 2 easy ways to deliver the experience. You can either surprise a recipient with a direct delivery to their doorstep, or let them redeem the kit themselves by entering their own addresses, selecting the sizes and color options, and clicking complete. Just like that, the gift is on its way. To get started, head over to the Kits and Items section of the Stadium dashboard and click Create a Kit. Then choose between kitted swag boxes or on-demand swag. Kitted swag items are pulled from your pre-purchased swag stored with Stadium and will arrive together in one box, while on-demand swag will pull from your virtual designs and may arrive separately. Once you select your kit type, choose the products you want to include. When you're done, click View and Send. From there, you can rename your kit and review the items. Next, choose how you'd like it to be sent, either recipient redeem or surprise recipient. You can add the recipients by entering their email addresses, uploading a CSV, or selecting them from your contact list. If you're using recipient redeem, you'll be able to write a quick message and choose how you'd like the emails to be sent. For kitted swag boxes, you can further customize the gift with a branded box sticker, premium packaging, and a personalized note before completing payment. And just like that, the gift is on its way. Send kits that stand out. Create yours today with Stadium.